What's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is "Guy Refuses to Get Out of His Car, Ends Badly." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
At around 4 a.m., police respond to Loggers Run Park in Palm Beach, Florida, where a man is trespassing after being told to leave by the security guard. Watch how things quickly escalate after the man refuses to get out of his vehicle.
Yo, can I help you?
Yeah.
What's up?
I need your ID.
No, you don't. You need probable cause to search me.
Say that again?
I can legally stay here overnight like this. I'm just chilling right now. I ain't doing nothing.
Can you lower the back window?
No, I ain't got nothing to lower. You need a probable cause to search me. I have nothing wrong, bro.
Can you stop?
No, I'm okay. I have nothing.
Listen.
Probable cause to search you? Nobody ain't searching you. What the hell is he talking about?
Nothing wrong, bro.
Listen. You want him to trespass? Okay, no problem.
Listen, if it's that difficult,
listen.
you could ask me to leave.
No.
If it's
Listen,
that difficult, you could ask. I'm not doing anything wrong.
You don't want to talk to me?
I don't.
You want your trespass. I need your ID. As of right now, listen. Yes.
No, because I have.
You're not free to leave as of right now. Listen, you're about to go to jail. I'm telling you, you're about to go to jail.
I can sue all of you.
Take that 28 from me right quick.
Let me take a video of this. So you're saying that? Hold up. Give me a sec, bro. This is actually so dumb, bro. Like, I literally suffer from anxiety. You guys actually have to set me up with this. Literally, I'm literally here at a park overnight, chilling, listening to music, and then y'all are just gonna stop me, and then y'all are gonna stop me, ask me for an ID, and then you guys want to search me now with no probable cause, no reason. Can you turn off your flashlight, please? That kind of bothers me. Can you turn off your flashlight? Please.
Can you get your phone off my face as well?
What?
I need your ID, sir.
I'm asking you to please turn off your flashlight.
Okay, I need your ID.
I'm asking you to please turn off your flashlight. And I don't have to give you my ID. There's no reason for me. I've done nothing illegal.
Sir, you're gonna go to jail.
You're gonna take me to jail for what reason? You wanna give me a reason? Am I under arrest?
As of right now, you're being detained.
Oh, I'm being detained.
Yes, sir.
For what reason?
You're being trespassed right now.
On what grounds? I don't see no if there's a trespassing thing, you could ask me to leave and I could leave right now.
Doesn't work, sir.
We
asked you to leave.
I was never asked to leave.
You refused to give me?
I was never asked to leave.
Okay, that's fine.
So he was here. You told him to leave. He don't want to leave.
He blew me right off.
And this,
It's closed. You gotta go, man.
and this park belongs to which community?
Loggers Run.
Loggers. Okay.
Correct. Anything inside the parking lot is ours.
Okay.
Outside is you.
And you try to tell him to leave, and he don't want to leave.
He blew me off like he did to you.
All right. And
He's not a resident of Loggers Run.
he's not a resident.
Well, he's got to show you ID.
Okay.
But he's a non-resident of Loggers Run. He's a trespasser.
You want to trespass?
I was never asked to leave though. Come on.
That's fine.
Please tell me. Like if you
Man, sending this jerk off to jail, man. Sending this jerk off to jail. This guy is a TikTok lawyer. We ain't got time for all that. TikTok lawyers, man, go on.
tell me to leave, I can
Do
leave
you
right
want to
now.
give me your ID or you're not going to give it to me?
There's no reason. I have no reason.
Fair
I've done
enough.
nothing illegal. I've literally done nothing illegal.
Fair enough.
Okay. Can I go home? Have a good night?
No, sir.
Then why can't I go home?
I need to know who you
Why
are.
am I detained? Why am I being detained?
Because they don't want you in the park. Park
Okay,
is
did
closed
they
right
say
now.
that? Did they
Sir,
tell me to leave?
they don't. Sir,
Did they tell
again,
me to leave,
I'm
sir?
not here to argue with you.
What's your name, officer?
Can I have Jermaine?
What's your badge number?
31848.
31848.
You want to give me your ID, sir?
You want to give me your badge number one more time on the camera, very clearly?
You want to give me your ID, yes or no?
I'm asking you for your badge number. You have to legally.
Sir,
give it.
do you want to give me your ID, yes or no?
What's your badge number, officer?
3962. The other
What's
car.
your name? No, your name. No, you can't.
Bro, listen.
Listen,
touching
we're
my
not
car
here
now.
to
Listen,
play a
listen.
game,
You're
man.
touching my car now.
Right now.
I'm not.
Right now,
what have
you're
I
under
done
arrest.
illegally?
You're
What have I
under
done?
arrest.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I like this officer.
You want to open it or you don't want to open it?
Don't touch my phone. That's my personal property, man.
It's property now. You're under arrest.
Whatever you want. Hold on. Well, let me get something.
No.
Bro,
Hey, you don't f***ing tell us what to do. We tell you.
Get his ass right.
Okay, you're under arrest. You're 100% legal. You're under arrest. Okay.
Whatever you say.
Yeah, I like that officer. Now, that's the officer I like. This guy right here, you know, the brother, he was kind of, he be doing too much back and forth. You know what I'm saying? He been asking for the ID for like 15, 20 minutes. Listen, this guy came up. He ain't playing games with you. Look, he ain't playing no games.
Your badge number, officer?
3962. Got the
What's
car.
your name? No, you can't. No, you can't.
Bro, listen.
We're not
car
here
now.
to play games,
You're
man.
touching my car now.
You right now?
I'm not.
Right now,
what have
you're
I
under
done
arrest.
illegally?
You're
What have
under
I done?
arrest.
Oh,
Grab the car.
okay.
Grab the car.
All right, that's simple.
You want to open it or you don't want to open it?
Don't touch my phone. That's my personal.
Yeah, you gonna learn today.
It's probably not.
Get you right.
Whatever you want. Hold on. Let me.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. Nothing. Act right.
You tell us
You
what to
thought
do.
this was,
Tell us
boy?
what you want to do. Okay, you're under arrest. You're 100% legal. You're under arrest. Okay?
Whatever you say.
Yeah.
That's fine.
You could have just asked me to leave, and I would have left.
He did
did
tell you
ask
to
you.
leave.
He
You
asked
never
you.
asked me to leave. I didn't hear him.
Hey,
tell
I
me
need you to
leave.
stop resisting. Give me your arm.
I'm stopping.
Stop resisting. You know that's their favorite shit. Stop resisting.
This is so wrong, bro.
Get his ass right.
What's your name again?
Santos, 39622.
Okay, I'll remember that.
All right, go ahead. It's gonna be so much better, man.
Yeah, y'all could have just asked me to leave. It could have been really easy. I'm telling you.
Anything on you? Any weapons?
Tow the car too. Get it out of
I
there.
just have like my wallet in the left pocket with keys probably.
I got him.
And all this for what?
You're trespass. You're under arrest for trespass.
But you're the one who made it.
You think I know that this is a trespass place after
You want to play
Well,
hard.
we told you
Play
many
hard? I
times.
You want to
just
play
telling,
hard,
bro.
bro. You didn't want to
You
give me
guys
your
come
name.
up with me. There's lights here the whole time, just
You didn't
staring
want to
at
give me
me.
your name.
Because I've done nothing illegal. I've done nothing wrong to legally have to give you my name.
Oh, yes, you are. You're being trespassed.
And you think I know that? Y'all could just tell me.
We tried to. You keep playing
No,
hard.
but you never told me, man.
Oh, we told you already.
No,
Listen,
bro.
we got cameras. You saw?
Okay, and I have a video. It's fine.
Okay,
It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, get his ass together. Take your ass on.
Let me get his name.
Total vehicle.
All right. Lock your car. I'm just going to get his 14.
Oh, it's private. Yeah, if you want to do it, by all means, that's perfect. That's even better.
Whatever's easiest for you guys.
Yeah, if you want to do it, by all
you
means,
do it.
yeah, go ahead. That's even better.
Yeah, whatever creates the least difficulty for you all.
You want to take the 51 or you want me to take it? I don't care.
I'll do the 51. That's fine.
Mateo was charged with trespassing and obstructing an officer without violence.
See? That's what happens. This is what happens when you watch too many TikTok videos. Simple, bruh. Simple. The security guard, hey, you can't be here after such and such time or whatever, could you leave? No, I ain't going nowhere. I got PTSD. Nigga, what? The security guard, he probably asked you nicely. And then the cops come, and then you want to play stupid games with them, man. The first cop, the black dude, he kind of like, whatever. But when the Hispanic cop came, listen, I ain't playing with you, dog. Let's go. Take your ass on. We going to jail. Giddy up. Let's go. So I give them cops a 3 out of 5. They did a pretty good job, man. How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.